Hi guys, you're welcome to this episode. And in this episode, we want to show you why Bola Ahmed Tinubu will continue to embarrass Ndigbo. But before then, we want you to listen to a short video that we're about to play for you. And after that, we'll now come again.
Tinubu's disdain for Ndigbo continues. Tinubu's disdain for Ndigbo continues, but this one seems to be the loudest. You need to see what I just saw in the news. Can this be? And let me tell you, Tinubu is not mincing words. Tinubu is throwing this directly at Ndigbo. Don't think it's APC. No. If Tinubu wins, of course, he has always known that Ndigbo will not vote for him. Ndigbo does not like to vote for people like that. Not because he's Yoruba, no, but because of his records. Ndigbo are very careful about who they vote. And Tinubu continues to show disrespect for Ndigbo. And even, this is the height of it, coming to Enugu to tell Ndigbo. Let me play it for you to see.
Let's continue what's trending with reactions trailing comments made by the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who during a rally in Enugu State urged his supporters in the APC to work hard until he becomes the president of Nigeria, or they will not be rewarded, not even with a soaked slice of bread. The comment, however, has generated several reactions, with some accusing the former Lagos State governor of disrespecting the Igbos. Let's take a listen before we take some reactions.
The Deputy National Chairman for the South, well, you have represented well the chairman of our party, national chairman. But nobody will give all of you any credit. You are working hard, you are sweating now. We want you to sweat well for this party until you deliver victory. Yes, sir. Until Bola Tinubu became the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Yes, sir. We will not give you but a slight clap or a soaked slice of bread.
Well, all right, let's take some reactions. This is from China.
This is the height of it. A soaked slice. This is insult upon insult. And I wonder how Ndigbo will take this. He has been doing things like this. He has been, but this is the height of it in Igbo land. Now, for those who wants to vote, I will advise you. This guy must not get there. Because even if he wins, he knows you didn't vote for him. He will unleash all of his plans against Ndigbo. We are talking about marginalization. You will see the real definition of marginalization. Then Igbos in Lagos, may God help us, with his planned state police and other things. Look at what he's saying without fear in Igbo land. Remember his past records. Oh my God. If Ndigbo miss it this time, I'm talking about people who wants to vote. If we miss it this time, so you better rethink, think well. Think well. Our non-participation, also think about it. Yes, we are looking for a bigger thing, but look at what is at stake. Are you going to give it to him? You know what I mean?
You're welcome back. Now, the statement that Okechukwu Izigozoro made recently is a disgraceful statement. He urged Peter B, can you imagine? He asked Peter B to stop or drop his ambition in disgraceful of Bola Tinubu. This is nothing short of a disgraceful betrayal of the Igbo cause. Don't forget that Tinubu has not listened to Ndigbo to let Nnamdi Kanu go. Despite that, this man could come and make this statement. It is shocking that someone who claimed to speak for Orange Ndigbo will openly advocate surrender instead of championing the political aspiration of his people. Rather than mobilizing Ndigbo and other progressive Nigeria toward real change, Gozoro chooses to grovel before the same political establishment that has marginalized the Southeast for decades. This is an unbelievable situation. Its logic is both shallow. Its logic, I repeat, is both shallow and insulting to claim that only the Southeast cannot make Peter Obi president. His logic is shallow. This is an outright distortion of the reality. Don't forget that Peter Obi's 2023 champion was national movement that transcended ethnicity and religion, winning vote across Nigeria, something Bola Tinubu and Atiku Abubakar could only dream of. Reducing Peter Obi's ambition to a mere Igbo project exposes his rigorous warped understanding of Nigeria's evolving political landscape. Even worse is his shameless attempt to guilt-trip Obi by predicting their consequences for the Igbo if he contests as those subservience is the only path to survival. This is nothing but fear mongering designed to keep Ndigbo perpetually on their knees instead of holding Tinubu's administration accountable for its failure or challenging Atiku's endless self-serving ambition. A rigorous solution is for Obi to step aside and give Tinubu a second time. What a shameful statement. What a shameful statement. This is not wisdom at all. It is capitulation. It is total capitulation. This is not the voice of Orange. It is the voice of opportunism. I repeat, this is not the voice of Orange. It is the voice of opportunism dressed up as pragmatism. It is shameful. Ndigbo deserve leaders who will stand boldly for justice, equality, and competent governance. And this is what Obi is standing for. Nothing those eager to sell out the people for political relevance. Thanks for watching. This is the reaction that we have